Okay, y'all, so I got chemical damage and I'm showing you pictures of my hair. You see it's broke off in the back, okay? And I use this Gro Mega Reconstrictor for my hair to grow it back, okay? I also mixed a whole bunch of butters and greases. And I'm going to show you how to make this hair growth concoction that I made, okay? As you can see,
Okay,
it's
y'all,
pictured
so
here, all right?
as y'all
Let's
can
get
see
into this
here, I got it
video.
mixed up. And I'm using Gro Hair Vitalizer, Sulfur 8, Clove Powder, and I got some coconut oil here. And it's all mixed in. And so I'm just stirring it up, right? You don't want to burn it. So you can see how the clove powder has got like to little clumps and stuff. So we're gonna strain that, right? And this is how it looks, right? Solid liquid. You still can see some of the the clove powder and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how it looks once it's solidified. As you can see now, it has solidified. Not all the way, but you can tell it has solidified, and this is what it looks like. And all you can do is just use it to grease your hair, you guys.